Okay, here's the hugger in my room. It's one of these Armitage look-alike things, but they're sold at Home Depot. And right there is the elevator. A view from my room of the elevator. That's great. One of these has an outlet in here, but I don't know which one. I think there's a light out in the globe. It looks like it takes two. Hasn't been dusted properly, doesn't look like, in a while. For a hugger, this shakes awfully, really. I don't think it's secured to the box all the way. Hopefully it won't fall on my head when I'm sleeping. And that's the hugger in my room.